This segment is sponsored by Olay.
While so many people focus on their morning routines to set their foundation for the day, radiant skin and a restoration actually start at night. With the proper tools and practices, you can create the ideal nighttime routine so you wake up looking and feeling your very best. Model, dancer, and entrepreneur Quori-Tyler Bullock is joining us to help, and she's rounded up some of her top beauty secrets to transform your skin. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to share some tips with you guys today.
Okay, let's talk about that nighttime routine. Where do we start? What are we looking for?
Yeah, so as someone with a very busy schedule, I know how difficult it can be to squeeze in moments of self-care and to prioritize yourself. So I've really learned the value of having an efficient and relaxing nighttime routine. Skincare is so important before bed because it's when our products are actually working double duty. So while we're sleeping, our skin enters night mode, which basically means the skin is restoring and replenishing itself through cell regeneration. So by using the right products at night, you just kind of set up a foundation of healthy skin the next day.
Well, it looks like you have a really great start with some products right next to you. So what are we looking for when we can kind of build that nighttime routine? You said those products are working double duty. So what can we look for when we're shopping?
Yes. So the first step of any great nighttime routine, of course, is to start with skincare products that work. So I love Olay's Retinol 24 plus Peptide Night Moisturizer because it helps activate my skin's night mode. The purple jar works wonders while I'm catching up on my sleep, so I wake up to smoother, brighter skin in the morning. Sometimes I have to wake up at 3 a.m. to get camera ready for TV segments, much like this one. So it's a great way to just wake up looking and feeling my absolute best.
Well, do you have any other tips? It sounds like we wake up close to the same time. So what other tips do you have when we're looking to those evening products?
Absolutely. So my first tip, of course, is to get cozy. A nice fuzzy robe and slippers make me feel like I'm living the high life in a hotel, even though I'm in the comfort of my own home. They say that an outfit can really set the tone for your day or your night. So your nighttime routine is no different. These fuzzy staples can kind of just send a signal to your mind that it's time to get into relaxation mode. Another tip I have is to set a calm ambiance. For me, I love a diffuser. Different essential oils like lavender and chamomile help promote sleep and relaxation. Plus, they smell absolutely amazing in my apartment. And now that the beauty routine is done and the vibes are set, it's time to make your bed an inviting and relaxing space. For function and aesthetic, I love to use silk pillowcases. They're great for your hair and your skin overnight. And they also come in so many different colors, so you can kind of mix and match depending on your bedding. And for my final tip, for me personally, I need a little mental stimulation in order to wind down and kind of get sleepy for the night. So I love turning on a chill playlist and reading. My Kindle has been such a savior because I can download books and adjust the lighting for nighttime reads. And you get bonus points because you're not looking at the blue light from your TV or your devices.
Well, these are some amazing tips to help us wind down at the end of the evening. Where can we go for more information on some of these products, as well as some of these tips that you mentioned this morning?
Yeah, you can visit Olay.com or your local retailer for more information on Olay's Retinol 24 plus Peptide Night Moisturizer.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here this morning on Hometown Living to talk about the nighttime. You can check out Olay.com for more information.